Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Tech Wisdom and welcome to another simple tutorial video here. And in this video, I'm going to show you when you are expecting a zip file, if you have this problem like this archive is either this unknown format or damaged. Here in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the problem. So first of all, go to your browser. We need to download an application called 7-Zip Download. Search it on the Google and enter. As you can see, 7zip.org, this is their official website. Now download this. Click the download option here, and here on top you can see 34-bit Windows, or if you have the 32-bit Windows, you have to download this. But if you have 64-bit Windows, you have to download this. Download this, all you have to do is click the download option and it will automatically start it to download. And now to install it, just double click it on the download file and select yes, and just click the install option. As you can see, the installation process is finished. This is a very small application, and now all you have to do is right click on the zip file that is corrupted, and now select this one, open with, and now you can see 7-zip application is on the display. Selecting this one, and now all you have to do is just extract the file. And as you can see, the extraction is completed and there is no error. So this is the video to fix the problem. I hope this is a helpful video for you. And if this video does help you, please consider subscribing to this channel. And I will see you guys in the next video.